Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss General Knowledge MCQs Part-C. Glasgow is located in correct answer is UK, United Kingdom. The Red Cross was established by dash. Correct answer is Henry Dunant in 1863. The flag of the Red Cross is reverse of the dash. Correct answer is flag of Switzerland. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. The upper house of the Malaysia is called dash. Correct answer is Diwan Negara. The lower house of the Malaysia is called. Correct answer is Dewan Rakyat. The International Atomic Energy Agency headquarters is dash. Correct answer is Vienna. The Shanghai Communique was signed between China and dash. Correct answer is United States. Dow Lake is located in dash. Correct answer is Australia. Trafalgar Square is located in dash. Correct answer is London. Lake Amadeus is located in correct answer is Australia. Sigmund Freud, a psychiatrist scientist who belongs to dash. Correct answer is Austria. Menorah Island is on the shore of dash. Correct answer is Arabian Sea. The state of the world's forest report is published by the Food and Agriculture Organization of dash. Correct answer is United Nations. The Pentagon is the military headquarters of dash. Correct answer is USA. Pablo Picasso was dash. Correct answer is Spanish painter. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. World Environment Day is observed on. Correct option is 5th June. The Stonehenge is among the 7 world wonders of the world situated in. Correct answer is England. Thank you for watching my videos.